What's good? It's your girl Nah. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So I have a confession to make. I had these braids in my head for a whole month. Yes, sis, a whole month. But it's okay. We about to take care of it and wash that hair. So if you're interested in today's video, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Now that that's done, let go. So I'm just taking my braids down, and sis, look at the curl pattern. That braid out would have been bomb. My hair had a lot of product buildup. My scalp was super dry and itchy. So the braids are out and it is time to take care of this dirty head. There go a little length check for y'all. Who said black girls don't have long hair? Who? So I did the back section off camera, and today I am doing an Aztec Clay Mask to really cleanse my hair. My hair is already split into sections, and I'm just going to take another section of hair and then take my handy dandy water bottle and wet that section and detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb from ends to root. Now that my hair is wet and detangled, it's time to apply the mask. When I apply my mask, I like to put it on my scalp because I put apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil inside of the mask to help with my dry and itchy scalp. So now that the mask is applied, I'm just going to let it sit in my hair until it gets hard and dry, and then rinse it out. Okay, so now that the mask is dried up, it's time to wash it out. I like to use hot water, but not too hot, but hot enough to bear, because the mask is a little difficult to rinse out and you don't want to leave any of it on your hair or on your scalp. So I'm just using my shower mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Sis, if you do not own a shower mirror, stop what you're doing. Pause this video right now. Go to my description box. Click that link in my bio. Put it in your cart and check out. I'm telling you, it is game changer. Thank me later. Y'all, my hair looks so good. So after rinsing the mask out, I like to go in with a moisturizing shampoo just to make sure that the mask is out of my hair, and I like to wash my hair in sections. So the shampoo that I'm using is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Shampoo, and it is so good. Make your hair super moisturized without stripping your hair. So after shampooing my hair, I go straight into deep conditioning, which is my favorite part. The deep conditioner I am using is from Texture ID. That deep conditioner is so good. The balance of moisture and protein is amazing. The slip is amazing, and it does not break the bank. So when I apply my deep conditioner, I like to section my hair off into 4 sections, distribute it evenly by finger detangling and applying a little extra on the ends because that is the oldest part of your hair and it needs some TLC. And then I'll twist it up and work on the next section. After I apply the deep conditioner, I put on a plastic cap. Now, you do not have to go out and buy plastic caps. If you have grocery bags inside of your kitchen somewhere, definitely use that, because trust and believe, after I finish these plastic caps, I'm going right back to the plastic bag because it works just as good. And then I'll just wrap my head around with a headband to trap in the heat and keep the water from falling on my face because that is so annoying. If you can relate, comment down below. And then I'll just sit underneath my hooded dryer for 30 minutes so that the deep conditioner can penetrate the hair shaft. I do have low porosity hair and the heat helps with keeping the moisture in. And then after the 30 minutes, I rinse with warm water and style. Now, if you would like to know how I styled my hair, stay tuned for my next video. And if you like videos like this, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Like, smash that like button right now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you made it to the end, sis, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is free, and while you at it, hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one.